Have you ever thought about how difficult it is to sit with strong emotions and how we run from them, like fear, shame, anger, hatred? These emotions come up for us, and um, we'll do anything we can to try to um, avoid just sitting with them, um, being with them, spending time with them. We'll try to do some sort of action to get rid of them, um, react strongly to something. So today in the meditation, we're going to explore sitting with these strong emotions. But first, we're going to ground ourselves and nurture with love. I invite you to find a quiet place where you won't be bothered, and or quietish. I know it can be hard, in a place where you can be still for, a little under 10 minutes. Now I invite you to close your eyes. And we're going to do some deep breathing. So breathe in, deep breath, and out. And in. And out. And now on this deep breath, we're going to breathe in, I love you. And out, think, I love you. In, I love you. Out, I love you. In, I love you. Out, I love you. I love you. And I love you if you can't say it to yourself. I love you. I love you. Returning the breath to normal. I love you. Allow yourself to feel these I love yous in your heart. And if you can't feel it, just hear my words. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Now I'm going to invite you to recall a recent strong emotion, such as fear, shame, anger, hatred. Notice where you feel it in your body. If you feel it, tension in your shoulders, and you can just let your shoulders hang loose. Maybe you feel tension in your head, or your solar plexus, or your stomach. Just allow yourself to be with that tension, that emotion, without trying to resolve it, or even hoping that this meditation will resolve the issue. Just be with it now. Be with it now. For me, it's fear. fear of making a customer service mistake and having a customer being angry with me. And then I begin applying to this fear and this situation. I love you. I love you. And if you're having a hard time here, imagine you have a duplicate copy of yourself. One copy gets to sit in that emotion, anger, shame, hatred, fear. And the other copy says to the one that's experiencing the pain, I love you. It's just a way of separating yourself and allowing you to fully feel the emotion. I love you. The loving person says to the person full of strong emotions, I love you. I want you to be well. I want you to be happy. I want you to feel safe. I want you to be full of joy. And I know that you might not feel like those feelings, that you'll ever have that again, because this emotion is so strong. And in the midst of all that, I love you. I love you. Receive these words. I love you. I love you. You are me. I love you. I care about you more than anyone else. We spend our entire lives together. You are worthy of my love. I want you to be whole. I don't want you to feel like something is missing. I want you to know that I love you. And I want you to know that you can also love others deeply. I love you. I love you. And as those strong emotions come up, you can apply this phrase whenever you want. I love you. I'll often wake up in the middle of the night with bad thoughts and then just start saying, I love you. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you feel wholeness and not like something is missing. I love you. Thank you for meditating with me today. May you experience wholeness. I love you.